There's an amazing feature that is also highly overlooked when you become a Kajabi user on any plan in Kajabi, and that is Kajabi University. So today what we're going to do is take a deep dive into Kajabi University. I'm going to take you behind the scenes so you can see what it looks like, what you have access to. If you're on the fence about using Kajabi, maybe this will inspire you to give it a shot. If you want to take advantage of a free 30-day trial of Kajabi to play with the platform yourself, you can use my link profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi. This is an affiliate link, so I get a small percentage of your investment in Kajabi, but there's no extra cost to you compared to if you went through Kajabi's website yourself. All this does is simply support me and this channel for referring someone to Kajabi. But when you sign up with my link, I'm going to give you instant access to a course I created called Kajabi Kickstart, which is going to help you set up and launch your online business with Kajabi in that first 30 days. On top of that, when you're inside of Kajabi Kickstart, you will have access to a free 45-minute coaching session with me where you and I both get to deep dive into your Kajabi account, and I will be there to answer any questions you have about Kajabi, marketing, or even making your first sale with the platform. All of this is free, and you can get instant access by going to profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi or clicking the link down in the description. Without further ado, let's dive into Kajabi. To access Kajabi University, all you have to do is get inside of your Kajabi dashboard, go up to your profile picture, and go down to Kajabi University. From there, it's going to take you to this page. Now, what's cool is there are different topics that you can look for in terms of website, products, membership, marketing, legal, and finances even. There are different levels, beginner, intermediate, or advanced that they categorize for you. We also have different resources like webinars, the Help Center, the Facebook group, or different guides that Kajabi provides you to help you succeed in your online business. And then we can access courses, my library, or return to the dashboard. Down here, you can watch a video to kind of show you what Kajabi University is about, but that's why we're here, or you can access your course library. When you scroll down, it's going to tell you a bit about what you're getting here. You can level up your online business game, explore at your own pace, which is a great benefit of online courses, discover higher level business and marketing practices, which is great. So it's not just for beginners, and then learn from experts to help you cross any hurdle that you have. And the best part is that all of this is free. Take this, for example, Graham Cochran, great mentor of mine. He's taught me so much about online business and how to do it right. This guy came into Kajabi and created a membership marketing formula where he shows you the 3 steps to build a profitable membership site. And his membership site is incredibly profitable. I've been in it and it's awesome. These are just some courses just to get you going. There's also some FAQs as well. But let's actually see what is entailed in the course library. So we'll click right here. It's going to take us over to this page. You can look around, start different courses. And yeah, you just get right into the various courses that you have. There's more. You can sift through. Coaching basics, run your whole business using Kajabi, so you don't even have to use the other different tools that you have at your disposal. How to create an audio course, that's interesting. Okay, tons of great ideas in here. How to structure a course, introduction to course analytics, understanding webinars from A to Z, that's awesome. Online course Mythbuster, legal basics. Okay, they even give you the legal basics. And what I love about this is that they do bring in outside experts. So it's not just Kajabi employees giving you this advice, reading from a teleprompter. Like, these are the experts who create these courses specific for Kajabi heroes. And the thing about Kajabi is that it's such a tight-knit community that these people who are coming in to do this, they've been using Kajabi for a long time and have achieved a lot of success. And what I love about the community, especially when you sign up and you jump into the Facebook group that Kajabi has only for Kajabi users, the level of people, just the quality of people inside that group is phenomenal. And these people really care about other Kajabi heroes. So just being a part of Kajabi is, I think, one of the best value adds that doesn't really get touched on as much. You think about, I'm going to build online courses and that stuff, but it's the community of being a Kajabi hero and the people who genuinely care about that title that really separates it, I feel. Generating subscribers, lead magnets, Facebook ads even. Another one on Facebook ads, email marketing follow-up, email marketing monetization. There's Graham's course again. Okay, awesome stuff that you can look for. We will even go back, and I want to see if I go to courses up here. Does that take me to the same page? Nope. Takes you over to a different page. And yeah, you have all this different stuff. So let's just say that I wanted to learn how to build a course. I'll click right here, start course, 28 minutes, really short. And this is all built inside of Kajabi, of course. Okay, so it shows you, this is like a Kajabi course. This is what your courses can look like as well. We'll hit start course right here. You can see how Kajabi builds courses. They put the time frame of how long the video is as well. Awesome idea. I never really thought about that until I just jumped in here. Here they show you how to write good descriptions and create a better online course. And whether you do this stuff or not, at least you get some insight, some ideas on maybe I can do that. I can have some lesson objectives inside of my course. In this lesson, you will, and then cover a little bit about what's going to be entailed in this 2-minute lesson. I know a lot of people who decide to jump into Kajabi and they feel so overwhelmed, and it is overwhelming. And I know from experience because I started out with Kajabi before I knew any of this. I was just like, this thing Kajabi sounds cool. I'm just going to jump in. And I wish I knew about Kajabi University when I had jumped in beforehand, because I would have been able to run through this and actually research some stuff and learn from these free lessons that are provided inside of your membership. So it's just something great that I feel like a lot of people overlook. And I would highly recommend, if you use Kajabi, to dive into Kajabi University and just explore it a little bit. I mean, again, we have the different levels. You can see if you're like, well, I'm more intermediate, I don't want beginner stuff, click on intermediate, and it's going to give you handful of different marketing training and lead magnets and whatnot for an intermediate business owner. Okay, I really just enjoy what they have here in this feature alone. And people say Kajabi's expensive. It's like, well, there's so many things you're not realizing that go into the membership of being a Kajabi user. And I think that it is the best tool, hands down, to run an online business, especially if you want to share ideas, turn your knowledge into an income and coaching and whatnot. If you have a passion for helping people, Kajabi is the tool to be using. Now, if you haven't already dove into Kajabi at all and you're looking to just try it out, maybe you're watching a bunch of videos, you have to just try it, which is why I offer a free 30-day trial to give it a shot. If you go through Kajabi's website, you get a 14-day trial. So through my link, you get double the amount of time to play with the platform. And there's no extra cost to you if you go through my link compared to if you go through Kajabi's website. You just get some more time. But on top of that, as soon as you sign up for your 30-day trial, I'm going to automatically give you a course called Kajabi Kickstart that walks you through how to set up your business and shortcut all the guessing that you probably are going to have when you try it out yourself, and really set your business up for success in that first 30 days. And inside Kajabi Kickstart, there's a link where you can book a one-to-one coaching call with me where I'll answer any questions you have about marketing, sales, Kajabi, or anything else, life, if that's what you want to do. But I'm going to be there to help you and answer your questions, really make sure that you are set up for success in that first 30 days. Plus, it'd be an honor to meet you in person or virtually. You know what I mean. To get all those details, just go down in the description. There's a link called profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi. Click it, sign up for your 30-day trial, and I will see you inside of that course. I'd love to hear your thoughts about Kajabi University. What do you like? What do you maybe don't like about it? If you've been using it, I just want to know what you think about this. Did you even know that this was a feature inside of Kajabi? Let me know in a comment below. I hope this is helpful and insightful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.